Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to describe a picture. When we describe a picture, we talk about who we can see, what they are doing, animals or things in the picture, the place and weather. Look at the picture carefully. Notice small details like clothes, actions and objects. Then we will make simple sentences to describe everything we see. Learn English through picture description. Title: Kids playing marbles. This is a picture of children playing outside in a park or garden. The girl is standing behind the boys. She is smiling happily. She has brown hair. Her hair is tied in two buns. She is wearing a pink top and blue pants. Her arms are open wide. She looks excited. She is watching the game. There are two boys in the picture. The first boy is playing marbles. He is bending down and looking at the ground. He is carefully aiming a marble with his fingers. He looks focused and happy while playing the game. The second boy is sitting on the ground. His legs are folded and he is watching his friend play. He looks relaxed and interested in the game. So, one boy is actively playing and the other boy is watching and enjoying the moment with his friend. The boy on the right side is wearing a yellow sweater. The sweater looks warm and comfortable. The boy on the left side is wearing an orange hoodie. The hoodie has long sleeves and looks cozy. There is a cat sitting near the children. It has orange and white fur. The cat's tail is curved. It looks calm and friendly. The cat is watching the children. There is a blue bird flying in the sky. The bird has its wings open. It looks small and cute. The bird is above the children. The sun is shining in the sky. The sun has a smiling face. There are green bushes behind the children. Colorful flowers are growing near the bushes. The children are playing on sandy ground. Small marbles are scattered on the ground. A black bird is standing on the ground. The black bird in the picture looks like a crow. The bird has an orange strong beak. It is near the children. The bird looks curious. It has black feathers. Now it's your turn. I have given you some jumbled sentences about this picture. Rearrange the words and make correct sentences. Look at the picture carefully. It will help you find the right answers. Write your answers in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more interesting videos, like, share, subscribe to the channel.